Yes, about the clothes we started. In the different countries, different states have a different types of a wearing style. Yes, they have a different types of a wearing style. Some wear the dhoti, some wear the pants, some wear the jeans, some wear the t-shirts, some wear the kurtas. Yes, different. And in the women's, we see some wear the saris, some wear the lehenga choli, some wear the kurtas. The different styles of wearing the dresses in the different states we have. Yes, we studied about that all things. The new things we studied in this chapters. Different chapters have a different types of knowledge. So now we'll move on to the exercise part. Today we'll do the exercise of this lesson, which is the lesson the clothes we wear. The clothes we wear. Okay. Now we'll start with the exercise today. Before we start the exercise, we'll start with a short prayer, children. All of you close your eyes. Repeat after me. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya-koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurme Deva Sarvakaleshu Sarvada. Okay. Now we'll start with the exercise today. First question, tick the correct answer. What is the first main? A1. Tick the people wear a heavy clothes when it is warm, cold or hot. Which season we wear two heavy dresses? Which season? Cold season. Which season, children? Next one. Mekhela and the chador is a popular dress of women in the Gujarat, Assam or Kashmir. It is famous in the which area? Assam. It is famous in the third one. A shirt is not worn with a shirt is not worn with a sari, lungi or a dhoti. Not worn in a saris. We don't wear the shirts on the saris. We wear it on the lungi also. We wear it on the dhoti also. We not wear it on the saris. We wear the shirt on the saris. Have you ever seen that? No. A choli is a worn with a kurta, kameez or gagra. Gagra, choli. The answer is gagra. Fifth one. Men wear this to protect their head from heat and cold. Men wear this to protect their head from the heat and cold. What they wear on the head to protect from the cold? Turbans, kurtas or a pajamas. Turbans. The hinging sutkotarla, that is called as a turbans. It's like a bun-like structure. Okay, that name is turban. These are the answers of tick the correct answers. Now, second main. Write T for the true statement, F for the false statement. T for the true statement and F for the false statement. Okay. B1. Write T for true and F for false. Okay. First one. People wear light clothes in winter. No, people wear the heavy clothes in the winter season. So answer is false. Second one. Women in Kerala wear a piran. So women in Kerala wear a piran. No, they don't wear the piran. They wear the sari. Each state has a special costume. Each state have a special costume. Yes, each state have a different types of costumes. Okay. various way. Which way we want now, we can wear it. In Punjab they wear it in the other way. In Karnataka we wear it in the other way. In other state, the Maharashtra, they wear it in the other way. The sari is worn in a different ways in a different states of India. Yes, saris are worn in a different style, different way in the different states of our India. Okay, copy this one, children. Which one we wrote today? Pick the correct answer. After that, write T for the true statement, F for the false statement. Write it. Okay. Now answer the correct answers. Question answers. We'll move on to that one. First one. Answer the following questions. How is clothing relates to climate? Because the clothing related to the climate, closely it is related to the climate. Because in the summer season, which dress we are wearing in the winter, that we can't wear it in the summer. And in the summer, which dress we wear, we can't wear it in the winter. Because in the winter season, we have too much of cold. In the summer season, we have too much of heatness. So, it is dependent. It is too much dependent on the climate and the weather. Okay, our wearing style is totally depends on the climate, children. Okay, so we want what? Climate. What do most women in India wear? Most of our India, women's wear saris. It is the most beautiful thing which all the women like to wear. Okay, saris. How do people dress in villages? They dress in villages in the traditional way, like they wear the saris and fully colored saris, and they not wear the jeans or t-shirts or any other other type of dress. They don't prefer also. They wear saris only. Okay. Which two types of clothing are worn with a dupatta? Like kurtas also and ghagra and choli. Okay. Salwar kameez, we wear it on that also. And in the ghagra and choli also, we wear what, children? We wear the dupatta. We wear what, children? We wear the dupatta. Next one, dupatta means the veil. Okay, veil ginante nama dupatta. Next one, turn the page number 219, children. Values for life. Values for life. How we have to value our life. You have a neighbors who belongs to different states. What will you do to make them feel comfortable and happy? Take correct the answer you agree with. Ask them about their state. Yes, we have to ask them about their state. Which is good in that state, and what all things available in that state, how the people live in that state, what they wear, that all things we have to ask. Make fun of their language. Never, we don't have to make a fun on their languages, because they have our own respect about their language. We also have a respect on our language now. We all talk in Kannada, we all love also. Like that, they also have their own opinion about their languages. So don't make a fun on that. Share your food with them. Yes, share your food with them. Let them taste your food, taste their food also. Just make a, what we say, simple conversation on food. Invite them to your house. Please invite them to your house. They will also see your house. They will also can identify which type of you are, what all things you like, how you are. They will also understand you well. Make a rude comments about their food habits. Don't do that. I told you that time only. They have their own rights. They have their hobbies to eat. They have a different types of what we say, the ways they can do what they want. Okay, children. So don't make a rude comments on their food. Hordes. Kuhu and the Pihu have a state-wise dress competition in the school. Can you identify the mistakes in their conversation? Okay. Kuhu. I will wear mekla chador. My sister will wear a piran with her inapi pihu. That's great. I'm going to wear a pavadai with a panak. They did a mistake there. The word mistake is there. So identify that and make a correction in that. I'm leaving on you, children. Activity. Conduct a dress parade in a class. But we can't do that. Yes. We'll do it in the online only. We'll do it in the online class only. We'll make it. Okay. We'll do it once. Next one, project work they given, see children. The last one, they given a project work. Okay, recycling of clothes. Recycling of clothes they given. Okay, will you read it by yourself? Okay, how they did, well, see once. Think a new dress on how to use old clothes. Jeans, woolens, shirt, t-shirts, etc. For example, an old pair of a jeans can be made into a pair of a shirts or a handbag. What? Old pair of a jeans can be made with a what? Handbags. Recycling, we call it as a recycling. How you can use your old clothes to make a new one. Okay, think about it. Take an idea of this one. They given us some of the ideas here. Use these ideas and make a own new things. Art and craft. It's like a art and making a old thing and recycling it and making a new one. Okay, will you do it, children? Okay. In this class we studied about the clothes, children. In the SST we are doing so many things. We studied about the states, we studied about the government, we studied about the the clothes. The next chapter is festival, children. We all have too much of festivals in our country. Yeah, we all have too much of festivals. That all are too beautiful also. We use the crackers, we use new dresses, we use so many bangles, we use kurtas, we use what we say, dishes. The main thing, we prepare so much of dishes to eat on the festivals. And we, what we say, we meet our relatives, we wish them, we greet them, we call them for a food, we go to their houses for the food. These are things we do it on which occasion? On the festival. When we do, children? On the festival. Okay, the festival name only gives us so much of enthusiasm that it makes us feel what, children? This word makes us feel happy. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದೀವ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಹಬ್ಬ ಆದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಖುಷಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಅವತ್ತೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಊಟ, ವೆರೈಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ವೆರೈಟಿ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ವಾಟ್? ನ್ಯೂ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಫನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್. ನಮಗೆ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ದಿನ ಯಾರು ಸ್ಯಾಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಕುಂದ್ರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್, the name only is the other meaning only, the festival other meaning only, happiness. It is what? Happiness. We prepare puja thali, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ನಾವು ದೇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ, ದೇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದು ಒಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಾಸಿಟಿ what we do? The preparation of the festival, preparation of the next day, what to wear, what to not wear, where we have to go, what we have to eat, with whom we have to sit. That all things we start thinking. That is what, children? The festival. Our next chapter is this only, the festivals of India. Like in our country, how we celebrate the festival, like that in other country no one will celebrate. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ? ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಡ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. That is also a simple dishes they will prepare and they will eat. They will sit and eat. They will not use the crackers. They will not go outside. They will not do anything, and they will not what we say, they will not use the oily food. But we eat too much of oily food on the festival, but we not think about the calories, we not think about the exercise, anything, because we are doing what? Festival we are doing. So all things we'll study it in the next class, children. Please practice this chapter, and we did the exercise whole thing in this class. We finished off the clothes exercise. Please write it in your classwork completely without leaving one question also. Solve it, and we'll do the festivals in the next class. Yes, we'll meet you in the next class, children. Bye.